If you want to measure objects, distances, or even dimensions of something with your iPhone, the built-in Measure app can help you achieve that quickly and easily. Here's how to measure anything on your iPhone using the Measure app. Solution 1. Using the Measure app. Open the Measure app on your iPhone. If you can't find it, you can search for it in the app library or use Spotlight Search. Move your iPhone around so the app can calibrate the space and understand the surroundings for accurate measurements. Point the camera at the object or space you want to measure. You'll see a white dot in the middle of the screen. Tap the plus button when the white dot is placed at the starting point of the object you want to measure. Slowly move your iPhone along the object, and when you reach the end point, tap the plus button again. The measurement will appear on the screen. Once the measurement is taken, you can tap the number to copy it, or you can take a screenshot to save the image with the measurement. By following these steps, you can measure anything from furniture to spaces with just your iPhone. This feature makes the Measure app a handy tool for quick on-the-go measurements.